Okay, so I said that there is something, a concept that you must understand, and the concept is what data normalization. You must understand data normalization. So I will explain what data normalization means, but I also want you to do your own homework about data normalization. You can type it in Google. What is data normalization? Okay, let me put it there so that you know that I'm talking about it. I can say, what is data normalization? Just type it on Google. You get what this it really means. And I will explain it. Then data normalization is all about rules. It has the rules. They are telling us that for us to be able to begin to explain what data normalization means, the major work of the data normalization is that for us to be able to turn data, which is what a data is what unprocessed parts or raw materials. So that is data. For us to be able to make sure that data becomes what information, it must pass through what data normalization rules. So there are rules when it comes to data normalization. Then part of the rules you will say one NF, NF. So if you just type one NF on Google, automatically it will take you to what? The first data normalization rules. The NF just means normal form. That's what the NF means. Normal form. So we have one NF, two NF, three NF. There are other ones which like they are like the extensions of the three NF. We have BIOS rules. They are always one NF rules. If you like, I can put it there. Excuse me. One NF rules, two NF rules. Okay. Now, so what I will do is that I will just go through a website to quickly learn about all these things. Do you understand that? So I said that is a very important concept that you need to know when it's come towards working with around the database management or working with SQL. This is the backbone of data itself. So whether you are a data analyst or you are a data engineer or data scientist or database administrators, you must know data normalization. You must understand what is data normalization. At least you must understand the concept. So that is everything that talks about how data is being structured, how you can structurize the data. And there are rules to follow in order for you to structurize this data. And that is the concept of how they design all these database server that we've talked about, all this technology, how is the concept they follow in order to design them. So all of them worked based on what data normalization rule. Okay. Now, so I want to visit the site just for us to learn about data normalization and some of the rules. Do you understand that? So I'm laying a foundation to what SQL is. You know, SQL is just a language that all database servers uses. All of them has a common language, which is what SQL, which is structured query language. And for us to be able to understand what is structured query language SQL, we must have what a big knowledge of data normalization. So with that, it will make the job easier for us, or this particular training easier for us. Right, how we are able to understand, at least to have ideas of what is data normalization. Okay, so I want to visit the site. So I will project it now. Let me stop this. Okay, let me still leave this way. Let me stop my video recording and I will launch it again.